Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and now we can tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. Now let's scroll down a little and as you can see in the photo section we've got the countdown. Let's tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got right now obviously off, and the timer is not applied, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So I will pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see it immediately changes, so which means that from now on our device should use it. So after tapping on the shutter button you can see that right now it is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, just maybe 3 seconds, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. We can obviously turn it off, just like it was at the very beginning, and from now on this device will take photos almost right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.